teacher Bernadette and welcome to our Monday morning ring. Now, if today's Monday, what day was it yesterday? Sunday, very good. And if today's Monday, what day is it going to be tomorrow? Tuesday, that's right. Now, can you remember the names of all 7 days of the week? Are you sure? Let's sing our song to find out and make sure. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Very good, everyone. Now, can you remember what month we are in? Are you sure you know? What month is it? The month of July. Very good. We are still in July. Now, can you remember how many months there are in a year? 12 months in a year. Very good. And can you remember the names of all 12 of those months of the year? Let's sing our song to make sure. 1, 2, 3. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very good, everyone. Now remember, because I want you all to be as brainy as can be, I do want you to practice your alphabet a little bit, your sounds and your letters, as well as count. We have to count every day, even if it's not on this video. Okay, but we are now moving on to our theme for the week. And our theme this week, brand new theme, and it is Antarctica. Now these are just some of the animals that we can find in Antarctica. So, firstly, what is Antarctica? Antarctica is a continent on Earth. But where is it? Let me show you. It is right at the bottom. Okay. So all the way at the bottom, even further south than South Africa. So it's right at the bottom of the Earth. This is what it looks like. Let me just zoom in so that you can all see. Okay. And here is just a nice picture to show you some of the animals. So we have a whale, we have some penguins, we even have a dolphin over here. We have some seals and some sea lions and some snowy owls and many different types of animals that live here. But that is for another morning ring. So let's firstly look at exactly what Antarctica is. We've already said it's a continent on Earth. Okay. So it's a continent, just like Africa, not South Africa. South Africa's a country, if you remember from last week's video, or the week before. So, Antarctica, there are very, very, very few people that live on Antarctica and very few animals that also live on Antarctica, because it is so cold. It is all the way down in the south, and it is basically just ice and snow. So it is a continent made of mostly water because it's ice and it's ice cold, and that is why there are so few people and animals that live there. But even though it is mostly made up of ice, which is frozen water as we know, it is also the driest continent on Earth. Okay, so let's see what it says. Okay, so it's the driest, even though it's water, it is the driest because the ice is hard, and because it is so cold, the ice can't melt. So that is why it is dry, so it's almost like dry ice, but it is still water. It's still the driest part of the world, which is really weird, but very cool, I think. Okay, so we also have to ask ourselves, we've already answered where is Antarctica. It's right at the bottom. And what is Antarctica? It is a continent. It is made up of ice. Very few people and very few animals live there, as we've already said. And that's honestly about it. If you want to know more, you will have to come back tomorrow to find out exactly what goes on in Antarctica. Just remember, Antarctica is the southmost continent, and it is the driest because it is made of ice and the coldest place on earth. Okay, so come back tomorrow for some more knowledge, but also stay tuned for the rest of our videos to maybe even make one of these animals. I'll see you all later. Bye everyone. Hi everyone, it's Teacher Bernadette and welcome to our Monday art activity. Now this week we are learning all about Antarctica, where it is, what it is, who and what lives there. So I thought it would be cool if we made a big art project that we do a little bit every day, and by the end of the week, so Friday, we will be done with our big art project. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to make our own Antarctica, because we need to start with the land that we are learning about. So we're first going to look again at where it is. So I can't bring it too close because then it's too shiny, as you can see, but that is the earth. All this is Africa, so South Africa is hidden behind there. So it's all the way at the bottom of the earth. Okay, and this is sort of what it looks like, almost like a blob. Okay, so it looks a little bit like a blob with a little piece cut out. So that is what we are going to make. Now what we're going to need is 2 pieces of paper that we are going to stick together. We're going to put glue on one side to make it just a little bit bigger. If you have a bigger piece of paper, of course you can use that. If you don't have white paper, another color to be nice, I don't have it here, I do, is a blue piece of paper. If you don't have that, you can obviously paint it. That is all up to you. If we are going to use white, we are going to paint a little bit just to make our ocean nice. So you will need some blue paint. And then to make it so you know it's on Antarctica, which is a lot of ice, we are going to use some cotton wool. Any cotton wool you have would be perfect. So you're also going to need a pencil. I just have this one for today. And some crayons or pencils or twisties or waxies or whatever you have. And let's get started. We've made our Antarctica, and it's gonna dry for the rest of the week while we get ready to finish our little land, our little continent. I did add a few a few strokes of blue paint just to make it look a little bit different. You don't have to do it if you don't want to, but of course you can. So that's that. I hope you all enjoyed it. It was nice sensory fun. And I'll see you all tomorrow for some more fun activities. Bye everyone.